Hello friends, this is Praveen. Welcome to online course on Python basics. In my last video, I have discussed about set data type in Python. Today, I am going to discuss about dictionary data type in Python. Dictionary. It is a collection of items which is unordered, changeable and indexed. Unordered means the elements of the dictionary uh, position of the elements of the dictionary is not fixed. So, which element will come first, which element will come last, we don't know. Changeable. That means once you declare the dictionary, you can add elements, remove elements. Indexed. You can pick the value of an element using its key. Uh, as we were doing in the case of list using index. Dictionaries are written with curly brackets, uh, similar to the set where we are using curly brackets. But in the case of set, we pass only elements as a value. But in the case of dictionary, we pass key value pair. Key value pair, that is course Dict. Here within curly braces, we are passing, this is the key, pyt, and then Python. So this is the value. Again, the second element key is ASP, then ASP.NET values. So this keys are used as an index. In the case of list, indexed are numerical values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. But in the case of dictionary, the keys are some specific value, or you can give numerical values as well, but you can write this special keys as well, like any keys, pyt, asp, php, anything. A new dictionary can be created using dict constructor, similar to the other other data types like list. Uh, we were using list constructor. In the case of tuple, we were using tuple constructor. In the case of set, we were using set constructor. And similar to that, we can use dict constructor to create a dictionary. And further, it does not allow duplicate members. That is, no two keys can be same. That means this key value, key pyt, should not be the same. So let us take it on our IDE. So this is our Python IDE. We were working on this file set.py. So for dictionary, I'm going to make a new file here. Just create, save it, give it a name, dictionary.py. Save. Yes, close this one. So now to create a dictionary, I'm just creating, we need to place it within curly braces, and now we have to pass key value pair instead of single elements. So keys for the course dictionary, first is pyt, python. For python we will use pyt key and its value. So its value will be python. Now next, the second element will be php, and the key and the value will be, I'm just using php and mysql. Third element asp, and then its value is be asp.net. That's it. So when we execute this, just select it, control enter. So this has got executed. Now we'll check the data type of this variable. So we can use this function type course dict, and it should be of dictionary or dict type, data type. So see, that my mistake. course dict. So it is a dictionary type. Now we can create dictionary using dict constructor as well. So let us use it here. A course dict. I will just use new course dict is equal to, and I'm using this dict constructor, and within this I'm just passing some key and then value. So notice here, key keys should be as a variable, and it should not be a like a it should not be like a string. Key is equal to, and then we need to pass the value. So I'm passing here machine learning. Then second, I'm just passing one more SQL. SQL is equal to. So in the earlier case, we were separating this to key value using colon. Here, we are separating them with equal to, and key in the course dict we were using as a string. In the dict constructor we are using as a variable. It is not enclosed within double quote or single quote. So I'm using MSSQL. That's it. So I'll just create it. So it has got created. Now if we check the type, it should be object. New course dict. So it is dict. Now if we have two list items. Suppose we have a two list item. So list course list C list 1 is equal to something. I'm just making course list 1 deep learning, then AI, and then data science. So three courses. Now I have another list, person list. So I'll just make C list is equal to. So one is Praveen, second is Anita, and third is Gopi. So we have three person list and three course list. And if suppose we want to create a dictionary where key is person list, and then key is the person, and value will be the course which it prefers to learn. So in that case we can use zip function. So I'm just making a zip x, a random dictionary. X is equal to, so we can use zip, and then since we want to use person list as a key, so we have to pass plist, then course list as a value. So course list. Now this will not create a dictionary, so we have to use dict constructor here. So we can use dict, and then it will create a dictionary using this Praveen as the key, and then deep learning its value. Anita as the key, AI is its value. So let us take it here. Control enter. So it has got executed. Now if we check X, so Praveen, deep learning, Anita, AI, Gopi, data science. So we can create our dictionary using to list as well. Now it does not allow duplicate members. That is, no two keys can be same. Suppose if we want to add some new course dict. So I'm just adding here new course dict here. I'm just copy paste it here. I'll pass one more value, pyt is equal to python, and here we have to pass equal to, and just remove this. So this one, the moment we do here, invalid syntax. Okay, it's working, everything is working. So I'm just creating it again. Control enter, and you see here keyword argument repeated. Keyword argument repeated. This pyt is repeated. That's why it has not been created using dict constructor. What if we try to create this using this curly braces? So let us check it here. I'll just try. Okay, let's enter control V, and I'm passing this again, comma pyt colon ml. That's it. Control enter. So this has got executed, though we have same key repeated, pyt. So let us check uh, how this course dict looks like. So now you see here pyt is only once. It created pyt using python, and the moment it finds this pyt with some other value, it updates that uh, key with the other value. So this has got updated. Python has got updated by ML, and then PHP MySQL, ASP.NET. So it is not allowing duplicate members. That is, no two keys can be same. We can have uh, same value for different keys. Suppose if we want to update or just change here, I'm just passing Python that PHP has. So it will perfectly get executed. So we have two different keys, but values are same. So let us take it how it looks like. You can see here pyt different key ml, php different key python. Okay, let me check it here. Okay, we have another, so I'm just removing it this one right now, so that we'll see that same values, different key can take same value. Control enter, and I will check this course dict. So you can see here pyt, this is the key, then php is key, but the value is same. Value can be repeated, but key cannot be repeated. That's the point here in the dictionary. Next, get back to our presentation. So dictionary items can be accessed by referring to its key name inside square brackets, as we were using in the case of list to pick the value of the items using index. Here we use key to pick the value of an element. Let us take it here. So if we want to pick this ASP.NET. So we can use course dict, and just within square bracket we will pass the key ASP. So it is returning the value of that associated with this key ASP. Now get back to our presentation again. So the value of a specific item can be changed by referring to its key. That is, if we want to update the value of this pyt key uh, from Python to machine learning, or from ASP to some other value, we can use by just referring to its key. So let us take it here. So here we have pyt is equal to Python. Pyt is associated with Python, and PHP is also associated with Python. So what we will do, we'll just update this PHP to PHP and MySQL. So PHP is equal to PHP and MySQL. So this one. Now control enter. So it, now we will check this course Dict. So you can see here the value of PHP Python, earlier it was Python, has got updated by PHP and MySQL. Now what if the key is not present, and if we try to set something like this ML, and I'm giving machine learning. So what will happen, since we don't have the key ML in this course Dict, so if we try to set or change the value of an unknown uh, key to some value, then that key value pair will be inserted into that variable. So let us take it here. So now this should get added. Yes, you can see here pyt Python PHP, and then the last element ML machine learning. So it has, this new element has got inserted within the dictionary. Now get back to our presentation. So for loop, how we can access all the elements. So we can access using keys, using we can access just the key, we can access just the value, and we can access both keys and values as well. So to access the key, we'll just use for x in course dict, and it will print all the keys. So let us take it on the IDE. So for x in course dict, and if we use for x in course dict and we print x, so it will look through all the keys, not the values. So if we print, it will print all the keys one by one. So it is printing all the keys. These are the keys pyt, php, asp, and ml one by one. What if we want to access the values? We can use here, just instead of passing x, we'll use this course dict, and then we'll pass x here as the index, and then it will return the values. So all the values associated with the key. What if we want to print all this key value pairs? So in that case, we will use, we will for x comma y. So two variables, one for the key, second one for the value in course dict, and this will we looped through each item, so we have to pass items because items function return key value pair in a tuple. So we'll see that in a bit. Now if we print comma y, so it will print both key value pair. You can see Python, Python, PHP, and MySQL, ASP.NET, ML, machine learning. Now get back to our presentation again. In keyword is used to check if a specified key is present in a dictionary or not. So if we want to check if a key is present within the dictionary, we can use this in keyword. So we'll check here if if pyt in course dict, if it is present, then print key present. So key present, it is returning. What if we want to check some random thing, AI? So it will not print anything since it is not there in this key is not present in the course dict. So it is not printing anything. Now get back to our presentation again. A dictionary can contain many dictionaries, and this is called nested dictionary. So earlier, uh, a key is there, and then with that key we can pass on a dictionary or list or anything. It can contain any information with that. So this is students one, name is Ram, gender is M, and this is a dictionary. Another student, his name is Sam, gender is male. Another student name is Lakshmi, gender is female. So let us take it here. Uh, so for nested dictionary, let us take it here. My students, I'm just making my students is equal to just pass this curly braces, and within this we need to pass the key and value. Start one and then colon, and then we need to pass a variable, and a variable we can pass a variable or a dictionary itself. So another dictionary, then the details one more student, and add to instead to, and then one more column. So this one. Now here we will pass the information of the students one. So what information it can has? It can have name as well as gender. So we'll use here as well. Just copy and paste here. So name is Ram, gender is male. Then name is Lakshmi. Then gender is female. So this is what a nested dictionary is. Within a dictionary, a new dictionary exists. Control enter. So it has got executed. Now what if we want to access the values? So we can access just by clicking here, by accessing this way. My students, and the first stud one, if we pass stud one, instead one. So it will return a dictionary again. So it is returning a dictionary. Now if we want to print this value of name, so we'll just pass this name as well here, name, and it will return the Ram. It is returning Ram. Now we will check this the function associated with this dictionary. So let us take it here. So we have course dict. We'll work on this course dict dot. The moment you do dot, it shows all the functions associated with this dictionary: clear, copy, from keys, get items, keys, pop item, set default, update values. So let us take it one by one. So first is clear. So what it will do, it will remove all the elements from the dictionary. So I will just execute it. Course dict. Now what if we try to see this course dict? So it is an empty dictionary. Now we will create again it course dict so that we can work. Control enter. Now course dict dot the second function is copy. So it returns a copy of the dictionary. So I will show you the difference what it does. Copy, and I'm just testing it, giving a name n course. I'm just saving it to some variable n course to course dict dot copy. Control enter. So this has got copied. Now in course you will see the this one. Now this two things. Now if we update or if we change something here, n course, and I'm just adding some element here or updating some value. So I'm just updating ASP to is equal to ASP.NET and MS SQL. So control enter. So this has got updated. Now if we try to check this course dict whether it has got updated or not, it has not got updated. What if I assign it like this? Suppose I will just use new course is equal to post dict. So I'm just assigning, I'm using an assignment now. I'm not copying right now. So new course dict. Now if we update this new course dict, ASP is equal to, so I'm just updating this new course which has been assigned to the value of course dict. So just use it, and now I will check this new course. So this value has been updated, as in the case of while we were using copy function, the value has got updated, and when we updated using copy function, this value was not updated replicated in this course dict. So let us take it. If we assign, what will happen here? Course dict. It has got updated. So when you assign uh, assign a dictionary to some other variable, it is it is not a copy of that variable. It is just a view. It is just a view. So when you work with new course or course dict, it gets reflected. If you work with new course, it will get reflected in the course dict. But when you assign a value using copy function, then it will be a copy, and whatever change you make with this variable, it will not be reflected into this course dict. This is the difference. Now next function is from keys. So from keys, what it does, it returns a dictionary with the specified keys and value. So let us take it here. So it requires two parameters. First is keys. I will just make a list here, or tuple. We can make a tuple here. So x is equal to a tuple. I'm just making a tuple here. Key 1, key 2, and key 3. Key 1, key 2, and key 3. So three keys, and I will just pass a single value to this. In this case, y is equal to something test. So I'm just assigning this key 1, key 2, key 3, same value. So we can create course dict, we can update, or what we can say, we can create a dictionary using. So rather giving on this course dict, we can use a new dictionary. So what we will do, and dict is equal to dict dot from keys, and I will pass this x comma y. That's it. So it will create a new dictionary using these keys, key 1, key 2, key 3, and assign this test to all these keys, and it will be saved into this ndict variable. Now this has got executed. Now we'll check ndict. So you can see here ndict from keys x comma y. Okay, we have not executed this lines, so let us check it here. Now it has got executed. So now you can check it here. So key 1 test, key 2 test, key 3 test. Earlier it got updated using the earlier keys, this one, and dict. So now next is we have course dict dot get. So get, it returns the value of the specified key. So if we try to check the value of pyt, sorry, pyt, so it will return python. It should return python. What happened? Okay, this one, closing double quote. So it should return the value of that key. It is returning value of that key. Now we were accessing the value using simple index like this. We could access course dict this pyt. So why this get method is required? So the difference between accessing the dictionary directly by using key and by get function is when the key is not present in the dictionary. So what we will check here, I will just pass a random key. Suppose I am passing AI. So it is throwing key error. What if I pass AI in this get method? So it is not returning any error. So this is what first difference. Another difference is what if you want to show, or if the key is not present, if you want to show some message, like if you search, if you input a URL in the browser, and if that is not present, it shows page not available. It doesn't show a blank page. So that we can use here. We will pass some message key not present. So it will, if we don't pass this message, it is returning nothing. But if we pass a message, it will print key not present, key not present, a customized message. So this is the difference. Next we have another function. Let us take it here. Post dict dot items. So items, it returns a list containing a tuple for each key value pair. I'll just use, we have seen that while using this for loop here. So let us take it what it returns. You can see here, it is a list containing a tuple for each key value pair. It is a list and then this tuple key value pair. Key is Python or byte and then value is Python. Similarly, key is PHP, value is PHP and MySQL. Key is ASP, value is ASP.NET and MS SQL. So this is about items. Now next we have another function, postdict dot keys. So it will return a list containing all the keys in the dictionary. So let us take it here. So all the keys pyt, php, asp, pyt, php and asp. So all the keys it is returning in the form of a list. Now next we have function postdict dot, let us take it after keys, it is values we will take, because it will return the values. Now the keys returns all the key in present in the dictionary. Values will return all the values associated with the key. So this is Python, PHP and MySQL, ASP.NET and MySQL. Next we have pop function, how to remove an element from the dictionary. So to remove, we can use pop, and when we pass any specified key, the corresponding key value pair will be removed. So let us take it here. So I'm just trying to remove this ASP. Control enter. So this is has got removed. If we try to take this course dict, so you can see here now this ASP, ASP.NET and MS SQL is does not exist. If we try to execute this statement, this line again, now this ASP is not present. So it will throw error, key error. Now another function to remove an element is postdict dot pop item, and it will remove any random key value pair if you don't pass anything. So and it will return a tuple which has been removed. So you can see here PHP and PHP MySQL. So uh, this pair key value pair has been removed. We will take here postdict pyt python. Now single item is removed. Now we will insert a new element using set default. So another function is to insert an element. So postdict dot set default, and This function is used to insert key with a value of default, that is none if key is not present. But if value is also passed, it will insert key value pair. So let us take it here. So I'm just passing this a single value ml. So it has got executed. The default value is none. If you check, the value associated with this ml is none. So if value is also passed, it will insert key value pair. So let us take it here. Control C, then I will just paste it here. And I'm just adding some more, again ESP. And then I will pass this comma, the value. And I'm passing ASP.NET. Control Enter. So this has got executed. Now if we check, it should have three element: pyt, python, ml, learn, ASP.NET. If the key is present, then return the value of the key. So let us take it here. If we use this now key, this ml is present. What if we try to execute it again? So it is not returning right now anything. So let us take it here. I'll save it to some uh, x is equal to this one. Now I will print x. So nothing. It is not returning anything. Let us now check. So it is not returning anything. Now we have another function, last function here. Dict dot update. This update function updates the value if the key passed is in the dictionary. So what will happen here? If we pass some key value pair. So suppose I'm passing ASP and then I'm just passing PYT and then I'm giving some deep learning. I'm just changing the value. So what will happen if the key is present? It will update value of that key. So let us take it to what before executing this line of code. What is the value of this course dict? So PYT has Python and then ML has none. ASP has ASP.NET. So I will just change this ML here. But I will change here ML. ML I will change to machine learning. Machine learning. So we can update it here. So this has got updated. If we execute this thing, earlier it was for ML it was null. Now it is for ML it is machine learning. So it has got updated. Now what if the key value pair which we are passing is not present in the dictionary? Then it will insert a new element. So let us take it here. I will just pass here ML and I'm just passing a new AI and here artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. And what will happen? This AI is not present in the course dict. So this key value pair should get inserted into this course dict. Now, if we execute this, so you can see here this new element, new key value pair has been inserted within this course text. So we have seen four data types: list, tuple, set, and dictionary, which are collection of items. Now get back to the presentation to see the comparison among these data types at a glance. Let us take it here. So these are the list. These are the actually data types which are collection of items in Python. So list, tuple, site, dictionary, and we have seen lists are written with square brackets, tuple are written with parentheses, set is written with curly braces, but only value is passed. And dictionary, we pass key value pair. Ordered, list is ordered, tuple is also ordered, then set is not ordered, dictionary is also not ordered. Indexed, list is indexed, tuple is indexed, set is not indexed, dictionary is indexed with the key. Changeable, once you create, whether you can add element into it or remove element into it. So list, yes, it is possible. Tuple, it is not possible. Set, it is possible. Dictionary, it is possible. Duplicate members, whether it accepts duplicate members or not. So list, it accepts duplicate members. Tuple, it also accepts duplicate members. Set, it does not accept duplicate members. And dictionary, it does not accept duplicate keys, though the value can be duplicated with different keys. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you must have enjoyed it. In my next video, I will be discussing about operators in Python. If you liked the video, then please like, subscribe, and share it.